Oh yes, now it's done.
Did you get 0
Yes.
and then a line and then a number 5? Thumbs up? Woohoo! Okay. So let's move on then. So we now know how this right function works. And then let's have a look at number 5 now. So now what we want to do is label each track with a number. Let's start with 5 tracks to begin with. And we're going to have a smaller distance. Sorry, Tree?
That's going to be some complicated code. How many lines do we need?
So let's have a look. So we have from turtle import. So we want to write 0 because our track is going to start from 0. So then what are we saying? So we're saying forward 20 spaces. We don't want 100 because it's too wide. Then we want to
every 20 pixels?
Yes, exactly. So I want you to do this. So I want you to see exactly what happens when I run this, and then I want you to program it yourself. So let me just run this so you can see what happens. And it's as easy as telling Python, we want you to create 5 track marks with numbers going across. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So all we're saying.
Me.
Yes, Narek.
I did 14 lines.
Oh, did you? Already?
Yeah.
Did you get 14 track marks going across?
Yes.
Awesome.
Yes.
Fantastic. Okay.
How do you do all that fast?
What did you use to make it?
Wait, can we use the...
Let me just run this again because see how I've got in my program right up to 5? Now, when I run this, can you tell me something that doesn't, yes, so here. Okay, so this is what I'm saying.
Mine is really wide.
Is yours running wide?
No, your one is, but my one's very narrow.
Okay, so what's your forward spaces? I've got forward at 20 steps all the time. What number have you got in?
Mine too.
Maybe it's just the size of the screen.
No, it's 20.
Okay, I'm going to stop sharing. Narek, can you share your screen so we can have a look at yours and to see what the track distance looks like?
Right.
So are you able to, can you go up and share your screen?
No, I changed it from 20 to 40.
Oh, okay, that's why. Cool.
What does it say?
Narek's done, instead of 20 spaces or 20, he's put in 40. That's why his track marks are much wider than mine. Okay. So, thumbs up when you've programmed 5 tracks going across, and then we can move on. Tree, thumbs up. Narek, thumbs up. Awesome. You guys are cool. All right. So, now, what did you notice about programming this up here? We kind of had to do what all the time? We had to repeat the same instructions several times. And that meant we had to physically type out these programs, instructions, a lot, okay? What is a better way of programming this?
We put